Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today is the day of the week. We're going to be going over everything I've been using this past week and kind of talking about it a little bit, doing a little kind of review of each product. Okay, so this first thing is something I picked up from my local Walmart, and it's something that anyone can have easy access to, and it's something I've been wanting to try for quite some time, is this e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Melting Makeup Balm. Now, I really did enjoy this, especially for the price. It doesn't really have any kind of like scent to it. It didn't really bother my eyes or my skin. I removed my makeup pretty good. I almost got every single piece of it off. So I really did like this, especially for the price point. I think it was like $11. This next item I got from my friend. This is an Eggplant clearing mud cream mask. And I would definitely say it's more like on the creamier side of the mud mask. It doesn't really get tight like normal mud masks do. I'm going to put a picture up in the corner here of me using the mask. It does look kind of like grayish purple on camera, but it's more of like a deep purple in person, maybe like a little bit muted. But it did feel really refreshing on my skin, and it did have like little beads in it. So when you go to wash off your face, it kind of gives your face a little bit of exfoliation too, which made it feel extra soft when I was done using this face mask. So I really did like this. It was something, you only leave it on your skin for like 15 minutes. So here's that. And for anyone who doesn't know, everything will be listed in the description box below. Next thing I got is from Physicans Formula, and this is a blush from theirs. I really like the packaging in a sense. Like normally I'm more for like expensive looking packaging, but this really seems like it's recycled packaging. It's earth friendly. So I do like that. This is a really nice blush. I think it's like a more of a softer look. I'm wearing it today. As you can see it like a little bit, but I definitely think it's buildable. But I do think that's a good blush. Next up is from Hard Candy, and this is a glitteratzi or something like that. I have no clue. I'm gonna put it here. This is the lip gloss and lipstick here. I absolutely love this lipstick. It has diamonds in it. And it's just so pretty. Now I found that it did last longer when I just used the lipstick side, because when you put the gloss side, I find that it transfers more easily. So, I mean, it does look really pretty when you put the gloss on with it, but just know it will transfer a lot easier and quicker if you use that side. And this in particular shade is in the shade Sparkling Spice. This next thing I got from my Boxycharm, this is a Complex Culture palette. Has highlighter and bronzers in it, and it's absolutely amazing. I am really impressed. I actually got some comments about the highlighters in this palette on my face. They stood out a lot more than I thought that they would. But I like that there's different shades of bronzers in here. So like if you get a suntan or something, it's perfect for that. And these highlighters are out of this world. They're just so nice looking. I even got compliments on it. They thought it was Jeffree Star. But no, it's just Complex Culture. But it is a really beautiful highlight. Love this palette. Think it's absolutely amazing. And this is in the shades In the Moment. So, yeah. Definitely also love the packaging, how smooth and silky it is. Next up is my last item, unfortunately. This is from Medusas Makeup, and this is the Rising Star eyedust. This I got in this month's subscription. I really liked it a lot. I'm actually wearing it today. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but it's just a really pretty gold color, and I absolutely love the way that it looks and the way that it goes on. Even though it's an eye dust, I didn't experience a whole bunch of fallout, which was nice. That's everything that I had for reviews today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.